Historical origins of the language. The Algonquian language family. At one time, long ago, our language, and in fact people, were one nation that over many hundreds of years broke apart and formed separate tribes. Today, if you look at these tribes, there are still similarities in our beliefs and traditions. Also, there are some similarities in our languages, especially the structure. Over the years, our languages have continued to change, so many words are much different today. These tribes which come from the Algonquian language family are quite numerous and include Shawnee, Kickapoo, Sac and Fox, Menominee, Abenaki, Delaware, Odawa, Ojibwe, Cree, Blackfoot, Cheyenne, and Miami, as well as other tribes on the East Coast, and even a few believed to be Algonquian in origin as far away as California. Historical origins of our language. The tribes which are closest to our own language are Ojibwe, or Chippewa, and Odawa, or Ottawa. It is believed, and we have stories, that at one time the Potawatomi, Ojibwe, and Odawa were one nation speaking a common language. In fact, the similarities of our languages support this belief. The language comes from one of 22 language families in the United States, the Algonquian language families, or the Algonquian language family. Other languages from this family have similarities in vocabulary and structure. Some other languages are Sac and Fox, Kickapoo, Ojibwe, Odawa, Menominee, and Shawnee. But perhaps the closest is Odawa, followed by Ojibwe. There's also evidence that we had close relations with the Sac and Fox and Kickapoo tribes after our initial split. There are words within our language which are believed to have been borrowed from the French. Within the citizen Potawatomi, you still see many of those French surnames, so this is definitely believable. Ojibwe, Odawa, and Potawatomi. If you look up here, Ojibwe, in Ojibwe they often say Anishinaabe. In Odawa, Anishinaabe. In Potawatomi, Nishnaabe. Often it's the difference of an extra vowel. The Ojibwas call us vowel droppers. Sac and Fox word similarities, and you'll have to excuse me, I do not speak Fox, so I'm going to say these as well. I'm only going to say the Potawatomi version, but you can see in Fox that the words are very close. Squaw, squaw, kadauze, kadauze, shock, shock, goat, goat, and aspen, aspen. Same for these Kickapoo words. In Potawatomi we say amo, amo, yabe, yabe, and ndon, ndon, my mouth, ndon. Some possible words which have French origin are bonjour, hello, and they say bonjour in French. Bien means to come, and bien is the verb to come in French. Though some people say that our word bonjour comes from French, others would say that it comes from Nana Bojo or Wayna Bojo, the trickster, one of our cultural heroes, if you will. But it's kind of up for you to decide. A deeper understanding of who we are as a people. As you continue to learn our language, you'll have a unique window into the past. Through our language, you will undoubtedly learn a lot about our culture and what it meant and continues to mean to be Potawatomi. Our language is considered animate or alive, because it is considered spiritual in nature. So the actual act of speaking the language is a spiritual act and will help connect you to your ancestors. Io.